Something that is very, very important to us is not just keeping our clients happy, but our neighbors around them. You know, we work in houses sometimes that are very close to each other in private areas, and obviously you buy a home in these areas, you don't want the banging and sounds of machines all day. So something that helps a lot is that the machines that Bedford has provided us, when the pistons are loading, you don't hear the constant whining and that we like to call crying from our other competitors and other machines that we use. The machines are very quiet, they load paint very, very fast, and they're very consistent with the way that we are able to spray with them. To be honest with you, with our other competitors that we've used machines, we've had neighbors call the police on us, complaining like, oh, their machine's broken, like they're making a lot of noise, they're haggling us, and it's just not pleasant at 7 or 8 a.m. in the morning when we start our day. So the way that these tips work as well, it doesn't sound like just air coming out of a compressor, you know? It sounds like a good quality of work has been done into the tip. Paint comes out very consistently, and the sound that it makes, it lets our sprayer know, hey, you're spraying, you know? It's not just air coming out of a gun. And at the end of the day, we keep our clients very happy with it, and even our neighbors as well.